Hi, my name is Stella, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Xitox foot pads, how they work, the benefits, and why so many people are talking about them right now. If you've ever come home after a long day with tired feet, discomfort, or simply wanted an easier way to relax and refresh before bed, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small, honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel Xitox is right for you, just say no. No pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your routine and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So, what are Xitox foot pads and why are so many people quietly adding them to their nightly routine? Xitox foot pads are overnight cleansing foot pads designed to support a simple wellness and self-care routine while you sleep. Their formula combines carefully selected ingredients such as bamboo vinegar, chitosan, loquat leaf, mint powder, and tourmaline. Instead of requiring complicated routines, Xitox is simply applied to the soles of your feet before bedtime and worn overnight for several hours. The pads are designed for convenient nightly use, allowing you to incorporate them into your routine without pills, powders, or complicated preparation. Many people have already made Xitox foot pads part of their nighttime routine, and customer testimonials describe feeling more refreshed, relaxed, and comfortable after using them. Of course, every person is different. Some people report noticing a more refreshed and relaxing feeling after the first few uses, but the most meaningful experience may come with consistent use as Xitox becomes part of your regular nighttime self-care routine. What surprised me the most wasn't just how simple the process was, it was the sense of relaxation it brought. I could apply the pads before bed, leave them overnight, and start the next morning feeling like I had taken a little extra time for myself. There was no complicated preparation, just a simple nightly routine that fit easily into real life. That's why Xitox comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. You're not asked to believe promises. You simply get the opportunity to see how Xitox fits into your own routine. I made this video for one simple reason, to share something that can make your nighttime self-care routine feel simpler, more comfortable, and more convenient. And because when a product becomes popular, low-quality imitations and misleading offers can appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try Xitox foot pads, consistency matters. Use them exactly as recommended and give yourself time to discover how they fit into your routine. Each pad is designed for convenient overnight use, making it easy to incorporate into your regular self-care routine. Your journey is personal, but simple solutions that fit naturally into your lifestyle can be easier to maintain over time. That's why so many people choose to keep Xitox foot pads as part of their nightly routine. If this resonates with you, the official link is right below this video in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and give your nighttime routine a more refreshing, relaxing, and convenient experience naturally.